Here we have a swinger that came in. It was busted up. The end had broke off multiple times. Looked pretty haggard. So we added a bunch of features to it. We did made the tail swing so that rather than having a 30-foot radiator gixer sticking out the back, we can flip the tail up so it's not hanging way out the back of the tractor. So here is our folding linkage mechanism. We got the hydraulic cylinder and the big pivot pin right here, and then here we have the Hoover Invention, the hydraulic locking pin. So this cylinder will lock when it's out, and then for road transport, retract the locking pin and fold it out. Here on this end we have the swivel for the hose. Rather than having it come up into a T and having to make a right turn, we got 245s on here. The pig dump, it goes out on an angle. We also have the splash plate on top so that you get a spread pattern on your pig dump rather than just coming out on a stream. The reason for the 245s rather than a T is a little less flow restriction. Less restriction in here, and that will give you just a little bit better flow. This customer, his goal is 4,000 gallons a minute. And when you're trying to do at 4,000 gallons a minute, every little bit makes a difference. So that is the reason for the 245s. Okay, so we're in here in the shop. We got this thing sitting on the floor, and I don't have any tractor to hook up to it. So this is borderline farmerish. This is really farmerish, however, it does work well. Here's our hydraulic hoses. And they just come up here to the forklift. We have them teed into the side shift function of the forklift. Here's the valve bank, and they have little knobbies on top to turn. So that's what we do. We just pull up and turn. That's how we can run each function on here with a forklift.